Hello. Now we have already seen text placement, text editing and text creation. Now with the help of text, a lot of things are to be used in drawing, like dimensions, leaders and table. Sometimes text would be in the tabular form. So now I will show you how we can use these texts in the form of dimensions and in the form of tables and in the form of leaders. This is a figure which is containing all kind of curves that is available almost and need to give the dimension. Now we can see in annotation flashed out, there is a flyout on the top of this annotation, and the first command is linear. Linear dimension is what? The dimension which are available in vertical and the horizontal form, like this is the horizontal dimension and this is the vertical dimension. These type of dimensions are not covering in this area, linear. Now these kind of horizontal vertical dimensions we can put like this. Now see this carefully. This is the dimension text in the numeric form. This is being called as arrowhead. These are extension line and this is your dimension line. Now again I am taking linear and I am giving the dimension to the vertical direction. Now one angular dimension is also there. For this type of curves we are going to use this align dimension. Now click here. Now select one endpoint, select another endpoint and then click here. Click here to fix the position of the dimension text. Same thing here, select and now again third dimension is angular dimension. Now click to select the command. Now where is the angular dimension? This dimension. From this line to this line there would be an angle. To show this angle I have to click first line and then without pressing the enter I am clicking second line. Now it is showing the angle, and when you move your mouse away from the location then it will automatically adjust the place. Now click here to fix the location. Same thing you can do in this figure. Select one, select second, and you can go out, or you can go here also, because this is not a good practice to cross the construction lines, so it's a better idea. Now I am taking radius, select this, I am taking diameter, showing in this also. I am taking arc length. There is a single arc, you can put it like this. This is showing the perimeter of this semicircle. Like this you can use dimension given. One dimension is left, that is your jog and ordinate. These are some specialized dimension. Suppose in mechanical engineering you have a plate, and in a plate you have multiple holes. You want to show the position of these holes onto the plate in your drawing, and ordinate dimension is the best tool to present dimension in a that shows the reference from the origin to the hole. For this thing I am taking ordinate dimension, specify the feature location, say this, Now it is showing this. Again I am right click, take the command, select the center, away from the center, right click, repeat dimension, click on the center, away from the center. Now again the same thing, click on the center, away, now the same thing, click the center, away from the center, click. I am taking again. You can take command from the directly click here, or you can right click and take the repeat command. See the dimension from the horizontal axis, the vertical dimension from the horizontal axis. This is called as ordinate dimension. Now, what's the role of jog dimension? Suppose there are some circular figure whose center is not available onto your drawing. Means, suppose this is your drawing paper and this is an arc whose center is not available onto your paper. So in this condition, there is not good practice to show the radius with the help of radius tool. In this kind of condition, you always use jog tool. By this, what we do, select circle or arc, yes, select this, select the center location, I set this. Now it is asking the dimension location, now I set here. Now jog location I set here, click here. This is the method to show the radius of those arcs whose radius is not present onto your drawing. This is being called as jogged angle. You can see in circle also. Suppose this circle is here, like this. Again I am taking jog, select circle, and clicking here to select the center of the circle. Now it is asking to put the dimension text. I set here, click here. Now it is fixing the dimension text. Now it is trying to fix the jog. I set click here, now fix. Like this you can put. This is the role of jog angle.